Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study unary shorthand operator. First of all, we have to understand what is a shorthand operator. A shorthand operator is like this, in which we place operator before equal sign. So what is the meaning of this shorthand operator? We can understand it like this. If I write like this, a plus equals to 10, so it is shorthand operator. It is shorthand operator and it means a equals to a plus 10. So in short, to this expression we can write like this. It is known as shorthand operator. So in this tutorial we will study about shorthand operator. We have to sort out this problem with the help of shorthand operator. So we can look here, it will be write like this, a equals to a into plus this. So this expression will be like this. Now we have to sort this expression with the help of operator precedence rule and operator associativity rule, as we discuss in this topic also, previous topic. Now we can look here, bracket priority is always high, so bracket will be solved first, but inside bracket we can look here, here are different type of operator, modulus, plus and divide and these. So first of all we will solve unary operation. For unary operation, here is plus a, so a will increment by 1 and it will become 13, that is happen, and b is 8, its value will be put directly, but b is plus, so still then b will remain 8 because b is with post increment operator, and post increment operator cannot show its effect on the spot. If b is somewhere here, then b will be shown as changes value means 9, but here b will remain 8. Now unary operator has been solved. In this case, here are three operators, divide, modulus and plus. We can look, divide and modulus are higher priority operators, so this operator will be solved first as compared to plus. Now the question is this, divide and modulus are the same priority operators, so which operator will execute first? Now the operator associative rule will be followed. According to associativity rule, division and modulus operator are of same priority, so they will execute from left to right. So in case of left to right, first this operator will solve. We can look here, 6 to the 12, it's become. Now the only operator of high priority left, modulus, so it will be solved again, and 3 to the 6, so remainder will be 2. Now this operator will solve and bracket will open, 2 to the 4, and this will become like this. Now finally we will get 48. So like this we can solve a shorthand operator, and this value always executes or solve at last. Now we will make a program on the basis of this unary shorthand operator. So how it works? First of all, we will take a class. Here we will take main method. Here we will take two variable, integer a equals to 12 and b equals to 8. Now we will say a into equals to plus a divided by 6 plus b plus mod by 3, and we'll print this. It is a, it is b, a into this, like this. Now we will save this program first. Save. We will go to my computer, C drive, JDK 1.7 and bin folder. In JDK bin folder we will save this with class name shorthand operator dot java. Now we will open command prompt, go to cd/root drive, cd jdk cd bin java short hand operator, java shorthand operator. It is output 48 which matches with this value. So we sort out this problem correctly. So it is an example of unary shorthand operator, and here is the exercise that you have to solve with the help of shorthand operator. And if you have some problem, you can ask me through comment. If you like this tutorial, so like this video and share this video with your friends, and you can subscribe my channel for more videos related to this topic. If somebody wants to all these tutorial in Hindi, he can visit my second channel, and if you want to learn theoretical concept, you can visit my blog. Thanks for watching.